Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens this morning. I'll also share with you some of the best grocery deals going on this week, as well as at the very end of the video, I will have pictures of items that I saw on clearance while I was in the store. I'm also going to show you how I chose to use my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad you're here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. Okay, let's talk about the deals. The first one I want to tell you about is a deal I mentioned last week. It is still going. So if you grab a Revlon tool and you have that $4 Revlon Catalina that printed last week, it's going to print out again. So these are $4.29. I used that $4 Catalina that I had that printed last week. So I paid 29 cents and then another $4 Catalina spit out so I could go ahead and do that deal again. But that was still rolling as of this morning. Now, I also did some awesome Dove deals that I'm excited to tell you about. The first one is on the Dove hand soap. Okay, so these are buy one, get one 50% off, and they are buy three, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So go ahead and buy 3 of the hand wash. And 2 will be $3.99, 1 will be $1.99. There is a $3 digital coupon, so you will pay $6.97. You're gonna get $5 in Walgreens cash back for buying 3 of them. But if you use the Fetch Rewards app, check and see if you have the $1.25 offer, because I got $1.25 back on each of these, which made my final cost completely free and $1.78 moneymaker. So great deal on that. If you're brand new to Fetch, I have a complete tutorial on it. You can also grab it using my referral code to score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. There's a second way that you can do the Dove deal, and I did it both ways, and you can do this on your Walgreens account as well. I grabbed 2 of the body washes priced at $7.99. They are also buy one, get one half off. So one will be $7.99, one's gonna be $4. Then I grabbed another hand wash at $3.99. Now, there was a $7 digital coupon for the body wash. So I paid $8.98. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 3 of the Dove products. I then got back $1.25 on Fetch for buying the hand wash, making my final cost $2.73 for all 3 items, or just 91 cents each. So great deal on that using all digital coupons. Now, for some reason, the register rewards at my store were not printing. Like nothing spit out of the Catalina machine. So I'm gonna tell you about a couple of deals, but I will tell you that at my store, the register reward did not print. I think it was probably just an issue with my store. So if you were there this morning and yours did print, please let us know down in the comments below. That way other people know that it is working and it was probably just an issue with my store. But the Colgates are buy 3, get a $5 register reward, and these are the ones priced at $2.99. So I grabbed 3 of them at $2.99. I had 2 different digital coupons, a $3 digital as well as a $1 digital coupon. So I paid $4.97, and I was supposed to get a $5 register reward back. But like I said, for some reason at my store, it did not print. So if it prints, it should be completely free. I also grabbed the Revlon Eyeshadow because I had a high value digital coupon. These are spend 15, get a $5 register reward, and these eyeshadows, the Revlon eyeshadows, are $5.19 each. So I grabbed 3 of them. I had that $10 digital coupon, so I paid $5.57. Again, I should have gotten a $5 register reward, but my store didn't print, making all three of them just 57 cents. So again, if you did this deal this morning and it worked for you, let other people know down in the comment section below. That way we know if it's a Walgreens wide issue or if it was just a my store issue. Now, there's some more free makeup that you can grab if you got some of the high value Rimmel coupons. So I grabbed a Rimmel Concealer priced at $3.29. I had a digital coupon for $3 off, making this Rimmel Concealer just 29 cents. And there were tons of different face products that applied with that $3 coupon. I also grabbed an eye pencil. This is the Scandalize. These were $2.57. I had a $3 digital coupon, which attached to this, making it completely free. But of course, that was as a curbside deal. When the value of the coupon is higher than the price of the item, it's not going to apply in store correctly. So I did this as a curbside deal. Now, I also had a Revlon coupon for $3 off a Revlon tool, and I grabbed these nail files. These are $1.69 each. I grabbed 2 of them because I had that $3 coupon, and I ended up paying 38 cents for both of them. Now, let's talk about some grocery deals. As you can see, I grabbed K-Cups because I love coffee. They're on sale for $5.99, which is a pretty good price. That's similar to what I would pay at the grocery store, but I was able to use my Walgreens cash or my register rewards to pay for this. So I used a $5 register reward, paying just 99 cents out of pocket. Same thing with the Jif peanut butter this week. It's 2 for $5, and you could use $5 in register rewards or $5 in Walgreens cash. But those were the couple grocery deals I did. Before I tell you the rest of the grocery deals, let me tell you how I used my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. I grabbed the 2 Dove body washes and the hand soap, and then I grabbed the 3 Revlon eyeshadows. Okay, so before coupons, my total was $31.55. I had to spend $20 in order to get $5 in Walgreens cash back. I had the $7 digital coupon here and the $10 digital coupon for the Revlon. So after coupons, my total was just $14.55. I got back the $5 for spending $20. I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 3 Dove products. I got back the $5 register reward for buying Revlon, or I should have, but mine didn't print. And then I got back the $1.25 on Fetch for the hand soap, making all of those items completely free and $1.70 moneymaker. Now, I did not ask at my store, hey, why did my register reward not print? I was not in the mood to deal with it. So I've got to figure out what I want to do with that now. But again, if it printed for you, let us know down in the comment section below. That way we know. Other grocery deals. So I mentioned the peanut butter. I mentioned the K-Cups. There is both the Walgreens brand trail mix, as well as nuts on sale for $3.99. You could use $3 in Walgreens cash. The Lay's potato chips are 2 for $5, so you could use register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay for that. Pringles are still 3 for $4. That was a monthly deal. I noticed there was some cereal that was $3.99, but buy one, get one free. So that makes it just $1.99 a box. But also you could use your Walgreens cash to pay for that. And then lastly, I saw soup at 2 for $4. So not a ton of stuff this week, but I'm still pretty pleased with the items that I got. If y'all have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section below, and I hope you have a great start to your week. Thanks.